Eldrigu Namaskara. Humbly seeking the blessing at the lotus feet of Sri Chamundeshwari, the symbol of empowered women. Honorable guests Sumanata Amrish ma'am, Dr. Arti Krishna ma'am, Dr. Bhavya Gowda ma'am, our beloved office bearers, President Balakrishna sir, Senior Vice President Uma Reddy ma'am, Vice President Sairam Prasad sir, Past President and Women Committee Advisor Perikal Sundar sir, respectable past presidents and their spouses, my dear co-directors and their spouses, friends from the print and electronic media, my very supportive committee members, diligent FKCCI Secretariat and staff, invitees and my dear friends who have assembled here on this special day and momentous occasion to celebrate the International Women's Day. I extend a very warm welcome to one and all. International Women's Day is celebrated on 8th March, commemorating women's fight for equality and liberation along with the women's rights movement. International Women's Day gives focus to issues such as gender equality, reproductive rights, and violence and abuse against women. The moral of Women's Day is the responsibility to invest in women, accelerate progress, and foster a world where every individual has an opportunity to thrive irrespective of gender. It is a day to reflect on how far we have come in empowering women and how much further we need to go to ensure that all women are treated with dignity and respect. Accelerate action, as we are well aware, is the theme for the year 2025. It emphasizes the urgency of making faster and speedy and more effective strides towards gender equality. The required action towards acceleration, unconscious bias and microaggressions, inclusive policies and organizational culture, impact of technology on diversity and inclusiveness, enhanced women leadership, fastening of the progress, addressing global setbacks, inspiring the momentum of change and tackling structural inequalities. The theme, accelerate action or speeding up the action, stands for Karnataka, as we are all well aware, is as well as Indian history repletes with queens who were not only powerful rulers but also highly educated. The queens played significant roles in shaping the cultural, administrative and political landscapes of their times. Their education and intellectual pursuits set them apart and allowed them to contribute meaningfully to their kingdoms. In Karnataka, along with the popular queens including Kittura Rani Chennamma, Rani Abbakka, Onake Obava, Keladi Chennamma, Belawadi Mallamma, there are many unsung queens who made their mark in the field of education, culture, administration and bravery. To name a few, Maharani Kempananjammaji Devi, the Queen of Mysore, who was very inclined towards girl education and she was instrumental in building the Maharani College. Also, it is said that for the KRS Dam, she has given maximum contribution by pledging her jewelry. Maharani Vijaya Mahadevi, the queen of Ganga dynasty, had proven records towards mapping dynasty's victory for over 120 years. Maharani Shantala, known for her love towards dance and culture, was very famous for her poses or what we call as Bangi. Mahatyagi Lakshmi Devi, the daughter-in-law of Nadaprabhu Kempegowda, is known for her selfless and brave sacrifice towards the development of our very Bengaluru, and the list goes on. But later on, it took decades for women to get empowered, and that is the reason I think is the year's theme, Accelerate Action. The process, which is slow, needs to be accelerated by passing on the baton towards gender equality, diversity and inclusivity. Let's take the pride in accelerating the action. Today, FKCCI takes pride in honoring 18 such gems from diversified fields who have undergone this process of acceleration and elevated to this position. It was truly a challenging and strenuous activity for the jury to choose 18 profiles from over 54 equally leveraged profiles, 18 out of 54. Ladies and gentlemen, today as the chairperson of the Women Entrepreneurs Committee, I consider it my privileged honor to present before you FKCCI Women of the Year 2025. It's now time for us women to lift each other up, support one another and make the world a better place. Thank you all and all.